Hello, Mann families. Today, I'm going to demonstrate how you can join a class on Google Classroom. First things first, we need to sign in with our school email. So click on the button here that says sign in. Now, to sign in, each student has a 6-digit student ID number. We're going to follow it with a @stu.sandy.net. For example, 123456 at stu.sandy.net. That is your official school email. And the password is the same password as login to the student's laptop. Having that information ready, we can proceed. So when it's asking you for an email, we're going to put in our student ID or student email. So 123456 at stu.sandy.net. Then we're going to click on the next button. After entering our school email, this page will pop up. We need to enter our student ID. My ID 123456. You do not have to put in the @stu.sandy.net. Just put in the ID number, and we're going to put in the password. Input the same password that we use to log in into our computer and sign in. Okay, we are all set. Just a reminder, if you are logged in into your own personal Gmail, you will not be able to access this program or Google Classroom from our school. Next, we're going to hover to the right, upper right corner here. This is your Google Apps icon. We're going to click on the icon and we're going to look for Classroom and click on it. Now, these are the classes that I signed up for, but today I want to demonstrate how to join a class. First, I want to go to the plus sign at the top. When I click on it, I get two options: to join a class or create a class. I want to join a class, so I'm going to click on Join Class. Now, this window is going to pop up. It says, ask your teacher for the class code, then enter it here. Where can I get the class code? So I am going to open up a new tab. I am going to search for Mann Middle School. Click on the first link. And here I am at Horace Mann Middle School website. I just want to give a quick reminder. If you have not signed up for the Mann newsletter, please do so immediately. So if I click on it, I want to make sure I follow Principal Brock. I'm going to put my name and email. This will ensure that you get the latest update on what's going on at Mann Middle. Now, I'm go back and look for my teacher's code. So what you want to do is hover over the Students tab. Make sure we click on Online Classroom Links and Codes. And here we get a list of all the teachers at Mann Middle and their Google Classroom codes. Right now, I need to sign up for Mr. Cook's first period class. So I'm going to scroll down till I see Mr. Cook's name. I see the 1, which represent period 1, and I see the code. I'm going to select and copy the code. I'm going to go back to my first tab, which asks for the class code. Then I'm going to paste and join. And here I am. I have joined Mr. Cook's first period class. Now, from this screen, how can I join or add a second class so I can be ready to learn? Hover over the left corner where they have these 3 lines. Click on it. Click on classes. We're going to repeat the same method, which is go to the plus sign, join class. It's going to ask me for the code. I can hover and look and see, here I am. I have Miss An for period 2. So I see Miss An's name, the number 2 for period 2, and the code. So highlight, copy, go back to my first tab, and paste, and join. Oh, wonderful. Now I'm in Miss An's second period class. And I would do the same method to add my third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Thank you so much, Mann families. We are here for you through this very difficult time. Please be safe and stay healthy. Take care. Bye-bye.